Chat GPT has been huge lately. We're going to take a look at a project that uses blockchain AI, Chain GPT, and of course it has staking and farming. Unleash the power of blockchain AI. Let's go. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Today we're looking at Chain GPT. It's a fairly low market cap project. It's still at around a $13.9 million market cap. It's ranked 864 on CoinGecko. We'll look at the price action a little bit later. But let's take a look first on what it is. There's not a better place to find information on a project than the white paper. And here we go. Introduction to Chain GPT, your personal expert in all crypto and blockchain related topics. Unleash the power of blockchain AI with Chain GPT, an advanced AI model explicitly designed for blockchain technology and crypto-related projects, or topics, I should say. It uses the latest algorithms and high-speed computing capabilities to address challenging issues in the blockchain and crypto space. Using Chain GPT, users may quickly obtain whatever knowledge and information they require. With many other unique features designed for individuals, developers, and businesses, Chain GPT is an essential tool for all in the blockchain space. They have an overview of its unique features here: blockchain and crypto information, no-code smart contract generator, smart contract auditor, code debugger, code to words, documentation creator, chart analysis, and technical analysis. Super interesting. AML features, blockchain analytics, on-chain live data, source of news, and much more. They go on down here and it says it's backed by the CGPT utility token, which is required to access various AI tools and products powered by Chain GPT. So it's playing a significant role in the ecosystem. So the token itself, you need to hold it to be able to use some of these tools. We're going to go through the features really quickly here. It says AI chatbot assistant. The Chain GPT AI chatbot is a conversational AI powered assistant that was designed specifically for blockchain technology and crypto. This is a free tool. The beta version is currently live and it's free. We're going to take a look at that in a few minutes, and we're going to actually ask it a couple questions. I think that'll be fun. AI Solidity smart contracts generator and auditor. Chain GPT simplifies smart contract creation and auditing, even for those without coding experience. Users can generate contracts by describing their desired features and quickly audit existing contracts by pasting the code into Chain GPT. Dev Assist is a open source browser extension that provides users with a comprehensive understanding of smart contract interactions. The tool visually represents the code and its workings, making it easy for devs and non-developers alike to understand how smart contracts work. AI generated news, that's self-explanatory. AI generated NFTs are non-fungible tokens created based on user prompts using AI-powered algorithms. These NFTs are unique and can be used for a variety of applications, such as art, in-game items, and digital collectibles. Within 30 to 60 seconds, anyone can deploy their NFTs on the blockchain. Definitely interesting. AI Trading Assistant, explicitly designed for crypto traders looking to improve their technical analysis experience. Easily apply TA parameters and strategies. Ask Chain GPT to detect chart patterns and analyze historical data with the help of AI. That's very interesting. I want to try that out for sure. and it says Chain GPT virtual machine. The Chain GPT virtual machine is a next generation virtual machine that offers a unique combination of EVM compatibility, on-chain AI inference. It is designed to enable the development of decentralized AI applications on the blockchain. When I first saw this project, I thought basically it was going to be like Chat GPT, and that's all it was going to do, and just answer crypto related questions. And when I dug deeper, I found out all this other stuff that's very interesting, like the smart contract generator. That's really pretty cool, really cool actually. And the trading assistant. It'd be cool to bounce, your ideas off of the AI. Cool feature for the token itself. It says half of all the fees and profits collected by the Chain GPT tools and utilities within the ecosystem are burned, decreasing the supply of CGPT tokens. The other half is used for growth and sustainability of this Chain GPT ecosystem. So that would make the token somewhat deflationary. And then down here it says Chain GPT is also actively developing other innovative tools and utilities that will enable users to take advantage of the potential of blockchain-based AI, from on-chain AI inference and AI-generated NFTs to AI trading bots and decentralized AI application development. Chain GPT is in the forefront of the blockchain AI revolution. Okay, let's take a look at the price action and the tokenomics. The price is sitting at 16.2 cents currently. It's down 11%. The all-time high was 29.7 cents. That was about a week or two ago. It was April 29th, 7 days ago. The circulating supply is 85.757 million. That's under 10% of the total supply. But remember, they do have that burn mechanism, so it does help with the inflationary portion of it. Current market cap is $13.946 million. So now we're going to go over and we're going to try it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to try the AI bot and ask it a few questions. We'll ask it one question. I have one in particular. Okay, so if we go to app.chaingpt.org, we go down here and we hit try it now, the chatbot, and then you can pick different crypto people to ask questions. And I was going to ask Vitalik, what is better, Cardano or Solana? Okay, it says as Vitalik Buterin, I cannot explicitly say which one is better, as depends on your individual preferences. So he basically just gives like an overview of both projects and what their strengths are. And it says ultimately the choice between Cardano and Solana will depend on a specific use case. And then it kind of goes on. It's really specific how it generates these answers, and then you can just pick different people. It kind of goes on their bias, kind of. And again, to use the full version of these products, you're going to have to hold a certain amount of tokens. It doesn't say exactly how many, because a lot of this stuff is still in the beta version. So now let's go over to staking. There's a couple different staking options. I think I have to connect my wallet to see them. No, I don't. Okay. So the staking pools that are open currently, some of them are full. The 180-day pool is open. There's quite a bit of room there. You get 21%, a little over 21% auto compounding rewards, which is good. I believe I'm in the 365 and I'm in the 180. Then there's a liquidity pair. It's a CGPT token paired with stablecoin BUSD. And the reward is 44%. That's really good. It's a 30-day lock on that. But 44%, that's good. I think they're going to have NFTs that you can get a boost as well. I'm not sure if those are out yet. I'm going to check that before I finish this video. It'll be at the end of the video somewhere. Okay, to get the CGPT token, you click on this button here where it says buy, and it'll take you to multiple different places where you can get it. I got mine on PancakeSwap. So you just, click on that, make sure it's the official site. And then I think I swapped BUSD or BNB. I think those are the two options to swap for the CGPT token. And once you get it, then obviously you just come over here and then you go ahead and you stake it in the pool, click on it, enable deposit, and just remember your tokens are locked in there for the that full period. So it's 180 days lock. And then it shows you a lock end date down here. So if you were to stake today, you wouldn't be able to unlock it till November 2nd of 2023. Are audited by Hacken and Certic. And then if we look, the team is fully doxed, I believe. If we go down to the bottom of this page, yeah, they show everybody here. Yeah, everybody's fully doxed team, which is good. Just looks like a good project in general. I like some of the stuff that they're going to come out with, especially some of the stuff for trading. The AI trading looks cool. And then the smart contracts, that's pretty cool. Somebody, just a normal person like me or you, possibly, it's not a developer, and make a smart contract through their AI model. That would be pretty cool. These projects, the low market cap gem ones, I'm just putting a few dollars into each one. If they have staking, let it ride for a year and a half until the middle of the bull market, and you could put $50 in there and it could add up. It could be 500. You never know. It could 10x, it could 20x, it could some of these meme coins, some of the stuff that actually has value and use case to it could hopefully do better than some of these meme coins. It's insane what the Pepe token has done. Just one other update. Velo, I have not come out with the Velo staking video because they're having issues with the UI. It looks like I'm talking to the Telegram moderators about it, where I can't approve the contracts for some of these farming and staking. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm looking into it, and once that's solved, then I'll come out with that video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If there's any other projects that you think I should cover that I haven't already, I'll leave those in the comments as well. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.